Hello once again and welcome back to Berekabuna. Today we'll pick up where we left off last week, this time using the contingent to create conditional sentences like if I were to X and when we do or did Y. We'll also look at how to formulate simple conditional sentences like if he goes, I'll go too. If you don't know what I mean when I say the contingent, it's probably best if you go back to the last episode before continuing. Let's jump in. To create when, or in some cases while, sentences like I'll eat when I get home, you use the contingent combined with what is known as a conjunction, in this case the Amharic letter S. Let's go through the conjugations for each person using a couple verb examples, and then we'll apply it to sample sentences. The verb derrese, medres, is to arrive. When I arrive, when you arrive, when they arrive, etc. would be
እኔ ስደርስ፣ አንተ ስትደርስ፣ አንቺ ስትደርሺ፣ እናንተ ስትደርሱ፣ እሱ ሲደርስ፣ እሷ ስትደርስ፣ እኛ ስንደርስ፣ እነሱ ሲደርሱ።
Let's use another verb example to drill the verb form. Temeles, memeles is to return. When you return, when we return, etc. would be
እኔ ስመለስ፣ አንተ ስትመለስ፣ አንቺ ስትመለሺ፣ እናንተ ስትመለሱ፣ እሱ ሲመለስ፣ እሷ ስትመለስ፣ እኛ ስንመለስ፣ እነሱ ሲመለሱ።
You'll notice that the only deviation from the contingent form of the verb is the addition of the s to the prefix. So, as long as you know the contingent of any verb, you can easily make when sentences. Remember also, as with other conjugations, that when the infinitive of the verb starts with ma rather than me, the verb retains its a sound, which gets merged with the additional s prefix. So, for example, atebe, mateb, to wash, gets conjugated as follows to say when I wash, when you wash, etc.
እኔ ሳጥብ፣ አንተ ስታጥብ፣ አንቺ ስታጥቢ፣ እናንተ ስታጥቡ፣ እሱ ሲያጥብ፣ እሷ ስታጥብ፣ እኛ ስናጥብ፣ እነሱ ሲያጥቡ።
Using these verb conjugations, we can easily create some slightly more complex sentences in Amharic. Listen to the following examples using the above verbs and see if you can create a couple of your own using other verbs you've learned so far.
ቤት ስደርስ እበላለሁ፣ ቤት ስደርስ እበላለሁ።
When I get home, I'll eat.
ዛሬ ማታ እሱ ልብስ ሲያጥብ፣ እሷ ምግብ ትሰራለች። ዛሬ ማታ እሱ ልብስ ሲያጥብ፣ እሷ ምግብ ትሰራለች።
Tonight, while or when he washes the clothes, she will make food.
አያታችን ከእንግሊዝ ስትመለስ ብዙ ከረሜላ ታመጣለች። አያታችን ከእንግሊዝ ስትመለስ ብዙ ከረሜላ ታመጣለች።
When our grandmother returns from England, she will bring a lot of or many candies.
አንተ ስትደርስ ወደ ፓርክ አብረን እንሄዳለን። አንተ ስትደርስ ወደ ፓርክ አብረን እንሄዳለን።
When you arrive, we'll go to the park together.
እኛ ዕቃ ስናጥብ መዝሙር እንሰማለን። እኛ ዕቃ ስናጥብ መዝሙር እንሰማለን።
While or when we wash dishes, we listen to music. A very similar composition of the verb is used to create conditional or causative sentences about things that could or might happen. The only difference is that the s is replaced with b. This form is not very common, but it's still good to know it exists. Let's use a verb we've used in several tenses already. Hede, mehid, to go. To say if I, you, he, etc. were to go, you'd use the following conjugations.
እኔ ብሄድ፣ አንተ ብትሄድ፣ አንቺ ብትሄጂ፣ እናንተ ብትሄዱ፣ እሱ ቢሄድ፣ እሷ ብትሄድ፣ እኛ ብንሄድ፣ እነሱ ቢሄዱ።
For a ma verb like maginhet, agenye, to find, you'd retain the a sound as usual. So if he, she, I were to find would be
እኔ ባገኝ፣ አንተ ብታገኝ፣ አንቺ ብታገኚ፣ እናንተ ብታገኙ፣ እሱ ቢያገኝ፣ እሷ ብታገኝ፣ እኛ ብናገኝ እነሱ ቢያገኙ።
Let's look at some sentence examples using this verb form.
100 ሚሊዮን ብር ቢያገኝ ሀብታም ይሆናል። 100 ሚሊዮን ብር ቢያገኝ ሀብታም ይሆናል።
If he were to find 100 million birr, he'd be rich.
ለእሱ ልደት 5 ሰዓት ላይ ብንሄድ እናረፍዳለን። ለእሱ ልደት 5 ሰዓት ላይ ብንሄድ እናረፍዳለን።
If we go to his birthday at 5 o'clock, we'll be late.
መንታ ልጆቹ ልብስ ቢቀያየሩ ማንም አይለያቸውም። መንታ ልጆቹ ልብስ ቢቀያየሩ ማንም አይለያቸውም።
If the twins were to exchange clothes, no one would differentiate them. By far the more common conditional form, however, uses the conjugation ke along with the simple past tense of the verb, which we went over in episode 7 of season 1, to build if sentences like, if we wake up on time, we'll go for a run.
በጊዜ ከተነሳን ሩጫ እንሄዳለን።
As usual, listen to a few verb examples and then we'll do some practice exercises. Tenesa, menesat is to get up or wake up. So if I wake up, if she wakes up, etc. would be
እኔ ከተነሳሁ፣ አንተ ከተነሳህ፣ አንቺ ከተነሳሽ፣ እናንተ ከተነሳችሁ፣ እሱ ከተነሳ፣ እሷ ከተነሳች፣ እኛ ከተነሳን፣ እነሱ ከተነሱ።
Fellege, mefelleg is to want or to search.
እኔ ከፈለኩ፣ አንተ ከፈለክ፣ አንቺ ከፈለግሽ፣ እናንተ ከፈለጋችሁ፣ እሱ ከፈለገ፣ እሷ ከፈለገች፣ እኛ ከፈለግን፣ እነሱ ከፈለጉ።
Aye, mayet is to see.
እኔ ካየሁ፣ አንተ ካየህ፣ አንቺ ካየሽ፣ እናንተ ካያችሁ፣ እሱ ካየ፣ እሷ ካየች፣ እኛ ካየን፣ እነሱ ካዩ።
These conditionals can easily be made negative by changing the prefix from ke to kal.
እኔ ከተነሳሁ becomes እኔ ካልተነሳሁ። አንተ ከፈለክ becomes አንተ ካልፈለክ። አንቺ ካየሽ becomes አንቺ ካላየሽ, etc.
Listen to the following examples of conditional sentences before we move on to some final practice exercises.
ኬክ ከፈለግሽ ብይ። ኬክ ከፈለግሽ ብይ።
If you want cake, eat.
በጣም ጠዋት ላይ ከተነሳሁ ቶሎ ይደክመኛል። በጣም ጠዋት ላይ ከተነሳሁ ቶሎ ይደክመኛል።
If I wake up too early in the morning, I get tired very quickly.
ሳራን ካየሃት ሰላም በላት። ሳራን ካየሃት ሰላም በላት።
If you see Sarah, say hi to her.
አስተማሪያችን ካልመጣች ትምህርት አይኖረንም። አስተማሪያችን ካልመጣች ትምህርት አይኖረንም።
If our teacher doesn't come, we won't have class.
ዝናብ ከዘነበ ልብሶችህ እርጥብ ይሆናሉ። ዝናብ ከዘነበ ልብሶችህ እርጥብ ይሆናሉ።
If it rains, the clothes will get wet. Great. Now that you've made it through these 3 different verb forms, you should be ready to understand and start creating some more complex sentences of your own. I'll leave you with a few practice exercises. As always, we'll say the Amharic twice, followed by the English translation. Try pausing the audio before the English to gauge your own understanding before moving on. Exercise 1.
ወደ ሱቅ ስትሄጂ ሎሚ ግዢ ባክሽ። ወደ ሱቅ ስትሄጂ ሎሚ ግዢ ባክሽ።
When you go to the shop, please buy lemon. Exercise 2.
መቀመጥ ከፈለክ እዚህ ወንበር አለ። መቀመጥ ከፈለክ እዚህ ወንበር አለ።
If you want to sit, there's a chair here. Exercise 3.
ሳስበው አስቸጋሪ አይመስለኝም። ሳስበው አስቸጋሪ አይመስለኝም።
When I think about it, it doesn't seem so difficult. Exercise 4.
አባቱ ሲተኛ ልጁ ቁልፉን ወሰደ። አባቱ ሲተኛ ልጁ ቁልፉን ወሰደ።
When his father slept, the boy took the keys. Exercise 5.
ብዙ ቡና ከጠጣሁ ራሴን ያዞረኛል። ብዙ ቡና ከጠጣሁ ራሴን ያዞረኛል።
When I drink a lot of coffee, my head spins. Exercise 6.
ጥሬ ስጋ ሲበላ ሆዱን ያመዋል። ጥሬ ስጋ ሲበላ ሆዱን ያመዋል።
When he eats raw meat, he gets sick to the stomach. Exercise 7.
ረጅም እረፍት ብንወስድ ብዙ ሥራ አንጨርስም። ረጅም እረፍት ብንወስድ ብዙ ሥራ አንጨርስም።
If we were to take a long vacation, we wouldn't get much work done. Number 8.
ጎበዝ ካልሆንክ ፈተናውን አታልፈውም። ጎበዝ ካልሆንክ ፈተናውን አታልፈውም።
If you don't smarten up, you won't pass the exam. Number 9.
ጓደኞቼ እዛ ካሉ እመጣለሁ። ጓደኞቼ እዛ ካሉ እመጣለሁ።
If my friends are there, I will come. Number 10.
ስትችል ፎቶውን ላክልኝ እባክህ። ስትችል ፎቶውን ላክልኝ እባክህ።
Please send me the photos when you're able to.
And that's all for today. For episode transcripts and more, visit berekabunna.org. As always, thanks for joining me, and until next time, goodbye.